everyone, and welcome back to BTech 360. Today we are heading to the vibrant state of Gujarat to explore an institute that has been making waves with its impressive growth, and that is IIIT Vadodara. So dear ones, it was established in 2013 as an institute of national importance. IIIT Vadodara currently operates from a 50-acre campus. Let's look at the student demographics. The institute has a total of 1,193 undergraduate students. What stands out is the diversity. 80% of the students are from outside the state, while 18% are from within the state, Gujarat. There are even 16 international students also. The gender ratio is quite healthy with 86% male and 14% female students. With a faculty strength of 25, the academic environment is focused and intimate. Now the big question, how does this translate to career success? Let's dive into the placements. First, let's analyze the historical data from the NIRF report to understand the trend. For the batch 2018 to 2022, the placement percentage was an outstanding 92.64%. However, as we moved to 2020 to 2024 batch, we see the impact of global market slowdown. Total graduated, they were 305. Number of students placed, they were 168. Placement percentage that dipped to 55.63%. The median CTC also saw a correction, moving from 13.5 lakhs per annum in 2023 to 9 lakhs per annum in 2024. This data is crucial for you to understand that even top institutes faced challenges during the recession. But is the recovery happening? Let's look at the latest institute data. Here is the fresh data for the 2024-2025 academic year, and the numbers are bouncing back. The highest salary offered is a massive 56.30 lakhs per annum. The average salary stands at a solid 12 lakhs per annum, and the median salary is 9 lakhs per annum. This shows that while the volume of offers might be recovering, the quality of top tier offers remains very high. If you are a top performer here, you are looking at packages competing with older IITs and NITs. So, what does it take to get into IIIT Vadodara? Here are the JEE Main All India closing ranks for 2025. If I talk about computer science, that to general or open category, it closes at 24,840. EWS 4,092. OBC 10,912, SC 8,008. Talking about information technology IT, it closes for general category at 28,979, OBC 12,436. Artificial intelligence, a very popular branch. For general category, it closes at 29,856. For OBC, it closes at 12,123. Talking about electronics ECE, for general category, it closes at 37,951. For OBC, it closes at 15,961. For SC, it closes at 10,038. If your rank is between 24,000 and 38,000, IIIT Vadodara offers a wide range of premium tech branches like AI and IT, which is a huge advantage. Now, who is hiring here? The recruiter list is impressive. You can just have a look. We see big names like Adobe, Amazon, Nvidia, Samsung, Oracle, IBM, and ICICI Bank. New age tech companies like Media.net, Graviton, and ZS Associates are also visiting, which explains the high packages. And finally, talking about the alumni network. IIIT Vadodara has a strong base of over 2,200 alumni. 97% of them are working in India, with Gujarat 37% being the top location, followed by Ahmedabad 27%. This shows a strong regional industry connect. Major hubs like Delhi NCR 11%, Hyderabad 6% also have a good presence. Interestingly, 3% about 61 alumni are working in the United States, showing the global reach of the institute. So what's the conclusion at last? Triple IT Vadodara is a strong contender if you are looking for specialized branches like AI and IT with a decent placement record despite market toughness. The 56 lakhs per annum highest package proves the potential is there if you put in the work. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to BTech 360. Let me know in the comments which college you want next. Thanks for watching.